My name is Faren Reyes, and I'm the owner of Discover Plumbing and Router. We do plumbing and router services. We do sewer and drain camera inspections, and we do hydrojetting drain cleaning services, and trenchless sewer replacements. I started working like an apprentice plumber 15 years ago in a company, and after a year I become a plumber, and I worked 7 years in that company. And then I decided to have a partnership with another plumber for 5 years, and then I get my own license in 2018, and I have 2 years with the company. We all work as a team. We have a great customer service. We're a 24/7 company, and we warranty all jobs. One time we received an emergency call for a water heater leaking, and that was for a preschool, and it has to be done after hours. So we went there after hours, we completed the work at night, and they was happy now. We are a bilingual company and to help all our customers. We are here to help you in any plumbing emergency. We are a 24/7 company to all the plumbing needs. Big or small, we do it all.